Grand jury indictment was made public today in the death of 10-year-old Anthony Avalos of Lancaster. His mother and her boyfriends are already charged with child abuse, but the new indictment adds additional counts and clears a path to trial. NBC4's Patrick Healy was in court this morning when that indictment was unsealed, and he spoke to family members there as well. Patrick.
Carolyn and Michael, these added counts allege that the accused couple also abused two other children in their household, siblings who did survive. Now, the case today, the focus remains on the death of Anthony, whose injuries bespeak physical torture and prolonged suffering. Anthony Avalos in costume for Halloween past. Remembering brings more tears to his aunt and uncle.
Around this time of year, Anthony was just always smiling, happy. He's always looking to dress up as something different.
David Barron and wife Maria at one point had hoped to keep Anthony in their home under protective care.
Today's his favorite day, Halloween. He should be celebrating at school.
Instead, Anthony died last June of a multitude of injuries inflicted on him. It's alleged by mother Heather Barron and her boyfriend Kareem Leyva. They've already been to court in the Antelope Valley to be charged by the district attorney with murder and torture. Today they were brought downtown for the unsealing of a grand jury indictment.
As long as they're behind bars or death, it doesn't matter. I just don't want to see them free again.
Superseding the original filing, the new indictment also alleges Heather Barron and Kareem Leyva abused two of Anthony's siblings. To that as well, today they again pleaded not guilty. Prosecutor Jonathan Hatami said the DA's office has yet to make a decision on whether to seek the death penalty. Leyva's attorney acknowledged it would not surprise him.
I would suspect we're looking at that, but again, that's up to his office to make that determination.
Just weeks before Anthony died, justice was finally settled in the 2013 abuse and torture death of another Antelope Valley child, 8-year-old Gabriel Fernandez, a case with strikingly sad parallels. Gabriel's mother sentenced to life in prison, her boyfriend to death.
I think the challenge is to get the best possible result we can, given the facts that we have.
After court, the attorney representing the aunt and uncle and other relatives hailed the developments as speeding the path to justice.
To get a grand jury indictment is powerful in this case.
Getting the indictment eliminates the need for a preliminary hearing, which spares the witnesses, some of whom are children, the ordeal of having to testify in a courtroom, face possible cross-examination, and then have to do it all over again at the trial itself. The accused due back in court in December, trial expected perhaps next year. Live downtown, Patrick Healy, NBC4 News.